local authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Minnesota beginning at 6:47 a.m. and ending at 7:47 a.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Crow Wing County Sheriff's Office is searching for 4 missing or abducted children. They were last seen with their mother, Nicole Ashley Dobson, 5'7" white female. Police are looking for a suspect named Chad Aaron Honorud, a 35 years old Caucasian man in connection with this abduction. He is approximately 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 185 pounds with hazel eyes and brown hair. Suspect was last seen driving a white Chrysler Pacifica, license number AEC 351. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Crow Wing County Sheriff's Office at 218829474909111. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further instructions. Dad was